Hi, I'm Mackenzie, and I'm here to pose a question for you. What if there's a treatment to treat the untreatable and a cure to cure the incurable? Seems like a pretty distant possibility, right? Well, I'm here to tell you human embryonic stem cells are the answer. With the possibility to help treat or cure some of the most serious medical conditions such as cancer and birth defects, or correct the errors that cause these medical conditions, embryonic stem cell research has an endless amount of possibilities. How is this all possible, you may ask? Well, a stem cell is pluripotent. This means a cell has the ability to grow into all or nearly all of the body's tissues in a process called differentiation. Because of this, human embryonic stem cells are the hope and promise for new therapies due to its possibility to fix health issues at a cellular level. Where would embryonic stem cells come from? Well, human embryonic stem cell research would use the surplus of embryos that were created through IVF treatments. As stated by Dr. Arthur Kaplan, one of the nation's leading bioethicists and professor at the New York University Medical School, there are possibly millions of embryos from IVF that have been abandoned and discarded in the United States. This then raises the question of if IVF embryos are thrown away, shouldn't we be able to use the unregarded embryos for research? Yes. Instead of getting rid of millions of embryos from IVF clinics, scientists could be able to use the embryos for research. Using these embryos that would otherwise be disposed of would help provide an alternative use for embryos. It'd be a better use of our resources, allow for life-saving research to occur, and help advance the field of science and medicine. And while research on human embryonic stem cells raise many of their own moral and ethical concerns, they should be used over adult human stem cells due to their potential. This is because while human stem cells are extremely valuable and have a great potential for future therapies, they are also very restricted on what they can do. With human embryonic stem cells, many expected possibilities to help treat a variety of illnesses and diseases that human stem cells will not be able to treat. Embryonic stem cells can additionally help expand the field of science by helping scientists understand inherited diseases by allowing them to study human cells bearing the exact genetic deficits that causes diseases in patients. Not only is the therapy expected to change lives, but also research. It has the opportunity to help scientists discover safer and more effective drugs and help scientists and medical professionals understand the insights into the processes such as infertility, pregnancy loss, and birth defects. Ultimately, this would contribute to the study of development in humans. It also holds the possibility to teach scientists and medical professionals more about the human body and how it works, allowing doctors and scientists to not only treat diseases, but to prevent them. This itself could save a countless number of lives. With all the potential possibilities, it is important to start human embryonic stem cell research now and overcome many of the controversies and worries surrounding the use of embryos, because the sooner research starts, the sooner it will yield new insights and new treatments. Embryonic stem cells could be and are the power of science and medicine. Eventually, even though currently human embryonic stem cells still require more research for future testing and therapies to occur, the possibilities and promises are there.